does. I'm just gonna show you what it does. Watch! Oh! That's not what it's supposed to do. Sorry.
That was fantastic. You're fantastic. Whoa. Are you about to kiss me? Yeah. Okay.
There it goes! Woo! Ah! Okay.
Sorry.
Cool.
Can I bite your lip?
A little bit. Oh, hey, Christine. Wait up. Hey,
Robbie?
Ah!
Rain.
Baby!
I'm in your Spanish class.
You look different.
I know. Try to relax.
You know, you kind of look like this guy I used to date.
Who?
Woo!
Peter Daniels.
Oh. You dated him?
Well, I thought I was dating him. Then I found out he was game.
Keep going.
Okay, so Ryder talked me into dancing with him for this project,
Oh.
you know, because
Well, that was some people that played you beat, Clover. I know. It looks fun. I wish I could just do it. No, Clover!
he does it to a lot of girls. He uses
Ow!
it to get a good grades and see that. But I should have known. No guys ever ask me out. I just sit home, alone. So depressing.
Well, do you want to go out with me?
Well, the next episode is called No